So what exactly am I doing with a takeaway pack and an iron rod today? I want to explain to you foundation types. Let's imagine that this is a column, one pillar inside your building. If we were to just drop the pillar on the ground, see how it stopped here? Meaning that if your building was this exact width, you won't need much to do in your foundation. But if your building was heavier, if you put that same design here, it will fail. It will keep going down. So what we do instead, we will put piles into the ground where is the strongest. For example, this place just hit now is a hard strata, meaning that this is exactly how deep is required to carry. If I was the building, these are exactly the amount of distance I need. So if you are going to do piles, your pile is going to be this deep. That's for pile foundation. Now, if the engineers don't want to use a pile foundation, they can consider something like a pad. This is a pad. So instead of you putting it down and the weight is being pressed down, you spread the weight over a larger area. And for that reason, the thing cannot go down. So I've shown you pile. This is a pad foundation. Now, imagine the weight is too much and it goes through, meaning that this pad cannot carry the weight. So it's either you make the pad a lot fatter so that the weight will not fail, or you use another foundation design. This is basically a raft foundation. A raft is like an upside down boat. So this is a raft foundation with the beam, which is these edges around, and the slab, which is on top. Then we distribute columns on top of it. I can't use this as an example because the pack is not strong enough. So, but the point I'm trying to make is your structural engineer, based on the quality of the soil, the weight of the building, determines what type of foundation is going to carry your building. Whether it is pile, whether it is pad, like this, or is raft. So it depends. So hope you're able to learn something today. My legs are paining me. I've been Fola Jomi. See you on the next one.